catch me say, "Who are you already into me say I'm in some kono. I cry my wound one. Mammy so fear because of what I let turn our into my crano.
Are you aware that your so-called baby mama no? Ebefia.
Calm down, okay? I have no idea what you are talking about. Kindly calm down. You won't go inside.
You're not being serious here. Like you have no idea. When you were so Befia.
Hey, sa baby mama was for one wife one day. Or the sa I am behemeba. Me behemeba. When you be bound, so that's my for us.
Now, Oba. I'll manage.
I don't cry me. Oh, catch me saying tea.
Oh, yeah,
maybe show me back.
oh, baby.
Next time I'll better draw not to go. I'm more be home. I'm a you want me to what? So maybe the bell will at the corner may pen at Siano. Sam may be round. I know me pen, I mean, Yano.
Will you send to one getting into Gona? You are the cause of the problem.
Me patch wa dama. Ya broni papa bi. E wo do broni. Me nya konya wo fi ha. De ode ba ye patch ogina ho. Na fa mami.
Who will be a Juman? So you don't have any right whatsoever. So let's see your baby. And now say impo unu grab in a wedding. And let this be the last time. I'm a hawk over Baha over Chinagin on Neding. What is a man?
Okay, what the men come?
Any other person, let this be the last time.
I don't cry.